how to register someone for a workshop. First, we type in cvoeo.org. Under services, you'll see a few different options here: Growing Money or Financial Futures Program. Either one will get you to where you'd like to be. We go to classes, sign up for classes, and that will bring you to this page. I recommend adding this page directly to your bookmarks bar if you're somebody who is often on the phone with clients or case managers registering folks for workshops. I clicked here to go directly to the sign up page, but you can also do that from the CVOEO website directly. So to register someone, we will add their name here. And then we select the workshops that the participant is interested in. Keep in mind that you can see their location and indicate anything of importance along the way. Done.